Ready to dive in? Today, we're going to be talking about building a website for your car service business. And get this, straight from your phone.
No need to be a tech whiz or shell out big bucks for a fancy web designer.
We're breaking down a free template that's seriously impressive.
It's all about empowering you to create a professional online presence without the hassle.
So picture this. A potential customer's on the hunt for, say, a car detailer.
They fire up their phone, start searching, and bam, your website pops up.
It looks sharp, it's easy to navigate, they can even book an appointment right there.
That's the kind of streamlined experience that wins customers.
And it all starts with a well-designed template. This one we're looking at, it just makes sense, whether you're running a full-on mechanic shop or a mobile detailing service.
It's got all the essential elements laid out in a way that just clicks.
So let's take a peek under the hood, shall we? First off, you've got your navigation bar.
Think of it as the roadmap for your website.
It's all about guiding your visitors, showing them where to go.
Your services, about us, contact info, it's all right there, clear as day.
Exactly. And speaking of making a good first impression, this template has a dedicated section for service descriptions.
I know what you might be thinking.
Service descriptions? Sounds kind of boring, right?
But trust me, this is where you can really make your business sing.
It's your chance to go beyond just listing what you do.
You want to really sell the experience, the value you bring to the table.
It's like, instead of just saying we change oil, you'd say something like,
Keep your engine running smoothly with our expert oil change service, using top quality oils and filters.
You see the difference. You're painting a picture.
You're highlighting the benefits, not just the features.
And that's what really resonates with people.
Speaking of resonating, this template has a spot for customer reviews.
And we all know how powerful those testimonials can be.
It's social proof in action.
People trust what other customers say.
They want to see that you've delivered for others before they take the plunge themselves.
Absolutely. And to make it even easier for folks to connect, there's a dedicated contact section.
This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many websites fumble this.
You want to make it crystal clear how to get in touch.
Phone number, email address, a contact form, it's all there.
Remove those barriers. Make it easy for people to reach out.
Now, here's a feature that really sets this template apart. That handy year, make, and model dropdown.
It's a game changer, I tell you.
Imagine this. A customer can tell you exactly what car they have right off the bat.
No more back and forth. No more trying to figure out if you can even service their vehicle.
It streamlines everything.
And for the customer, it's all about that personalized touch.
It shows you understand their needs, you're ready to handle their specific car.
And let's not forget about the overall look and feel of this template.
Aesthetics matter, right?
First impressions are huge.
And this template makes it easy to create a website that looks as good as it functions.
Think eye-catching images, bold colors, fonts that are both professional and easy on the eyes.
It's all about creating that cohesive, visually appealing brand.
And the best part, it's surprisingly user-friendly.
Seriously, even if you're not a tech whiz, you can customize this template with ease.
But we're just scratching the surface here, folks. There's a whole lot more to uncover. Want to know more? Stick around. All right, so we were geeking out about all those cool features before the break.
The ones that really help your website work for you, not just look pretty.
Yeah, like how do you actually turn clicks into customers?
Exactly. And one of the most powerful tools you have is email marketing.
See, I knew you were going to say that. Email. I thought that was like so yesterday.
You'd be surprised. Email's still the king when it comes to direct communication.
Okay, but with social media and everything, why is email still such a big deal?
Think of it this way. You own your email list. No algorithm can take that away from you.
That's a good point. You're not at the mercy of some tech giant deciding who sees your stuff.
Exactly. And this template, it makes building that list super simple.
Oh, yeah. How so?
You can put a sign-up form right there on your homepage, front and center.
That makes sense. Make it easy for folks to join.
And maybe sweeten the deal a little.
Oh, like a discount code or something?
Exactly. Give people a reason to hand over their email address.
Sign up and get 10% off your first service. Something like that.
Exactly. You got it. And once you have that list, you can nurture those relationships.
Send out regular updates, promotions, maybe even some car care tips.
You're building a community around your business.
I love that. Speaking of community, what about social media?
Ah, social media. Another powerful tool in your arsenal.
I mean, everyone's on social media these days, right?
It's all about meeting your customers where they are.
And how does this template help with that?
Seamless integration, my friend. You can link up all your profiles right on your site.
So people can hop over to your Facebook page, your Instagram, all that jazz.
Exactly. It's about building that multi-channel presence.
Gotta love it when things just work together smoothly. All right.
Absolutely. And it's not just about linking out. You can showcase your latest posts right there on your website.
Oh, that's smart. Keeps things fresh and engaging.
Dynamic content is key. Now, ready for another game changer.
Hit me with it.
Embedding Google Maps.
Okay, I'll admit, when I first heard about this, I was like, so what?
But think about it. A potential customer is on your website. They like what they see.
They're ready to book, but then they got to go searching for your address, figure out how to get there.
It's a hassle.
Yeah.
With an embedded map, they see exactly where you are right then and there.
They can even get directions, check out the neighborhood.
It's all about that seamless user experience.
You know, you keep saying seamless, and I think that's the perfect word for it.
It's about removing those barriers, those little points of friction that can make people click away.
And when you make things easy for people, they're more likely to become customers.
Exactly. Now, the beauty of all this, the email sign up, the social media links, the Google Maps integration.
It's all included in this free template.
You got it. But here's the thing to remember.
What's that?
This template is a starting point. It's a foundation you can build upon.
So it's not like a one-size-fits-all cookie-cutter solution.
Not at all. It's about making it your own, tailoring it to your specific business.
Okay, so how do we actually do that? How do we take this template and make it sing? Okay, so we've covered the template's power, all those awesome features.
But now let's get practical, right? How do you actually make this template your own?
Especially if you're, not exactly a tech whiz.
That's the beauty of it. It's simpler than you might think.
So walk me through it. What are the first steps?
Well, let's say you're running a mobile detailing business.
Okay, I like where you're going with this.
You've got those sparkling, clean cars, right? Show them off.
Oh, you mean use the image section to highlight my work?
Exactly. Before and after shots, those are super impactful.
It's like, look what we can do.
Exactly. Or let's say you specialize in European car repair.
Ooh, fancy.
You could tweak the whole vibe to match, right?
You mean the colors, the fonts, all that?
Exactly. Think sleek, sophisticated, maybe some imagery of like winding European roads.
It's like transporting your customers straight to the Autobahn.
Exactly. And remember that year, make, and model dropdown.
Oh, yeah, that thing was cool. What makes it so special for mechanics?
It's crucial. Shows potential customers you're the expert for their specific car.
No more guessing games. They know you're the real deal.
Right. It's all about building that trust, that credibility.
And of course, we can't forget about that call to action.
Ah, yes, the call to action. This is where you tell people exactly what you want them to do.
Right, like book your appointment today.
Exactly. Make it clear, make it bold, make it impossible to miss.
Maybe even offer a little incentive.
Great idea. Book your first detail and get 10% off.
Now you're speaking my language. So this template, it's more than just a website, isn't it?
It's an investment in your business.
It's a way to put your best foot forward online.
Attract new customers, keep those engines running smoothly.
I love it. Well, folks, there you have it.
Building a website for your car service business doesn't have to be a headache.
This free template gives you the power to create something amazing.
So what are you waiting for?
Get out there, build that online presence, and watch your business thrive. And on that note, we'll wrap up this deep dive. We hope you found it insightful and helpful. Until next time, keep those engines revving.